How to download cars.com app in your Android device. Now in order to download the cars.com app in your Android device, you have to open your Google Play Store and search cars.com in there. And if you cannot find the cars.com application, that is not available in your region. And in that case, just simply open your Google Chrome or any of the browser that you use, and in there search for cars.com app. And after searching for that in your browser, you will see this page where you will see a bunch of options. You just simply need to select this option of cars.com buy and sell cars, and below that you will see the button of install. Tap to install button, and if this app is available in your region, you will successfully be able to download the cars.com app from here. Otherwise, you have to use VPN or you cannot get service, unfortunately. So this is how you can get the cars.com app in your device. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.